Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to our next mission, Stop Motion Movie Maker. In this mission, you will learn how to create animations using stop motion and a professional 3D animation software. You will learn about frame rate, storytelling, and how to position your camera and lighting. Then you create a classic bouncing ball animation to learn the 12 principles of animation, including slow in, slow out, arcs, timing, and much more. Next, you'll learn how to use Blender, a professional 3D animation software, using 3D tools to create objects, rotate, move and resize them, and change their color by adding new materials. Finally, you add keyframes, multiple objects, camera movement, and sound effects to create your own original animation. So get ready to create some incredible stop motion and 3D animations. Let's get building!